Hey everybody, welcome back to my basement and all things Jeff. This is day 2 of demo. Day 1 went really well. We got a lot of work done. Today, we're going to clear off the entire surface of this train garden, except for the mountains, and then we're going to run some trains. In the next episode, we're going to take the mountains down and then run trains. I've never done this before. Usually the trains are the first thing packed up, but I wanted to see it. So today I'm going to ask Sydney to come down and help me because there's a lot of tacky wax on the bottom of all these little characters and people. So that takes time to get rid of. So we're going to get started right now. Let's get to it. All right, everybody. Day 2. Here we go. Demo. I got Sydney here with me. Say hi, Sydney. All right. You start over there. I'm going to start down here. We're cleaning up.
Here we go.
Just a quick letter from the editor. After filming all of day 1 and all of day 2, we noticed a crackling in the audio. We do apologize. Just try to bear with us. He is trying his best.
So all of these characters have tacky wax on them. It's a product that makes them stand up, and it doesn't hurt them. See the green stuff? I know it's hard to see, but if you just wipe it off with a paper towel, it comes right off. It doesn't stain, and there it is. All right. Tonight. Huh? Where were you, Corey?
What is this? Why is there an eyeball? There's like 3 of them that I see. Why? I think my father is nuts. This is my favorite SpongeBob on here. The robot looking one. I love it.
Put that on video. Ow! Organize, organize, organize.
Do you guys see these little aliens? We put 14 of them behind Buzz Lightyear, and they were following Buzz Lightyear.
Here's a mine entrance, and that's how deep it is. It's just cardboard painted black on the inside. Pretty simple. HO scale. Drink umbrellas. Just a little piece of wood. Drill a hole, put a drink umbrella in there. It works. Sunflowers, corn, crops, little piece of wood, drill holes, hot glue, easy. Dump a little dirt in there. Beat up car. A hammer does amazing things. Just made out of fencing and little pieces of wooden dowel. I think it looks pretty good. Just a bunch of old Matchbox wheels I broke off the cars to use as Gus's rim polishing. It's just a piece of wire fencing with the letters with the little tacks on the back that you use on foam board. All right, let's take those trees right there and we're going to go do the residential area next. I'll see you there. All right, before we get back to packing up the residential area, which is right next to you, I'm going to go over packing the trees one more time. I don't feel like my son Corey, the editor, who cut out some stuff, really showed you that. So we just use these blue bins. In the bottom, I already have all of my generic green trees stuck in there. And then we put this PVC pipe in right here. There's 3/4 on the bottom and 1/2 inch up top. And they're cut so just to the length of a tree. And then I know you saw this where I stuck all of these trees on, try not to drop them. We notched the corner out so that it fits over the pipe on the upper level and just drop it in there like this. So now you have your second level of trees. And then your top level doesn't get any notches and it just sits right on top. Third level, close the top, label, 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 and they're ready to go in storage. Now we have 3 more boxes here that are filled with trees. Each box has about 200 or 220 trees in it. So that's a lot of trees. So let's get back to the residential area. All right, got my trusty rack. Let's get back to it. These are some original signs my friend Ken gave me. Can't go wrong at a flea market. I'm back. All right. Here's the trailer. Has 2 little screws it just rocks on with a motor underneath that pulls it up and down. Okay. That about finishes us up for this section. That's it. City's done. Amusement park's done. Beach, farm, residential. Now we're going to the city. I think I'm going to spin you around so you're looking the other way. So hold on tight. It's going to be a good ride. All right, last area to do before we run the trains with nothing on the platform. So let's get to it. Even label the inside. No labels. Best Christmas movie ever. You'll shoot your eye out, kid. Victory! Oh no, I forgot this. Lead skiers, probably from the 1950s. By the way, this train garden started in 1957, this whole collection. Maximize your space. Oh, hey, get back up. You okay? Don't fall asleep on me. Trains are next. Let's go run some trains. By the way, done. Hey, I hope you enjoyed watching the trains run with nothing in the way. Demo day 2 is in the books. 8 hours. Sydney and I together. Thank you, Sydney, for all your help. Tomorrow, we're going to get into day 3 of demo day. Mountains come down, more trains running, and by the end of the day, everything should be gone and packed away. I'm not sure if you noticed, but there was a new train running over here in the residential area. That was my dad's train from the 1930s, maybe 40s, somewhere in there. I have to look it up. So please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.